Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Soleil's Life. Today I'll be doing a quick video for you guys on a lover's top, or some people call it a heart top. First we have the front part of the top. It's shaped in a heart, 2 dots on the side. It's cut on single, both pieces. So there's 2 pieces to this. I sketched out the seam allowance and the darts. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and stitch the seam allowance. I'm going to stitch this seam allowance. So also, before I stitch the seam allowance, I have the dart marked out. So I'm going to just go ahead, fold this in on both pieces, and I'm just going to stitch the dart. That's the first step I'm going to do, stitch the dart. After I'm done stitching the dart on the top piece, I'll do it on the bottom piece. Then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to line the top back up together, right side facing each other. And then I'll be back to show you what we're going to be doing next. Here we have 4 strap pieces. Each strap has 2 pieces, half inch seam allowance, half inch seam allowance. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to line them up together, and I'm going to stitch all the way across, all the way across. I'm going to do the same with the other strap. I'm going to stitch all the way across, and I'm going to stitch all the way across. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. This is what the strap or band looks like once I've stitched it, serged it, and flip it over to the right side. So this is what it looks like. The other one is in the top right now. I pinned it so I could show you what I've done. So here I place the both darts on each front and back piece of the top. Also, I place the strap in the top, and what I did was I lined it up between the darts, and I'm gonna stitch all the way around. So you go ahead, you lift the top, you can fold the strap. You can fold the strap in to make it easier for you to work with, and you just take it, rest it down inside of the top to the end. You flip the top over. Make sure the top is lined up. That's why I kept the middle pin, so it's going to stay lined up. Line the top back up together. And I went ahead and I just pinned from here all the way over. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. This side, let me open it up so you can see. It's already pinned up. So I'm going to flip it over, line it up, and now when both straps are pinned down, just like this side, I'm going to stitch all the way around, and I'm just going to leave an opening so I could turn the top over. The opening depends on you, 2 inches, 4 inches, whichever is comfortable, and so I'm going to go ahead now and stitch all the way around, leave the 2 inches opening, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like after I've stitched it. I removed the pins and I stitched all the way around. I left the opening so I could turn the top right side out, because this is wrong side out. So now I'm going to turn the top turn the top right side out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and notch the edges that are turned, the circle edges. I'm just gonna notch them so they will lay flat. I'm gonna iron it down and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. And here we have the finished top. This is the front, the straps, and this is the inside with the straps. I placed the fasteners on the straps and I've closed the opening section of the top where I turned it over. This is why I leave the opening, so I just flat stitch it down. So this is what the finished top looks like.